The appeal,
And
the
for the
appeal is
record,
noted.
Paano natin pag-uusapan yung ibang...
And for the record, Mr. President, I still have the floor.
Hindi ako sanay na sinisigawan. So, sinasabi nila na natural yan daw dito. Sa akin hindi.
Hindi kita tinakot. Ako man ang takot. Ako nang takot sa iyo. Ikaw nga naniligaw.
And any on all such manifestations should have been referred to the Committee on Rules.
Senator Pangilinan, Senator Lacson gave several privileged speech, even if the matter was already referred to the committee report.
I understand, Mr.
As a matter of tradition,
I understand, Mr.
we allow that.
Ginoong Pangulo, pinilabas yung warrant of arrest kagabi lang, tapos na tayo dito.
Yeah.
I
Yes, that's why
understand.
this.
Na
that was-
sinabi po na yung warrant of arrest ay tunay.
I understand, Mr. President, and therefore I'm appealing that perhaps this matter should be tackled in the committee rather than in this in plenary, so that we can address other concerns, Mr. President.
The appeal,
And
the
for the
appeal is
record,
noted.
Paano natin pag-uusapan yung ibang...
And for the record, Mr. President, I still have the floor.
Hindi kita tinakot. Ako man ang takot. Ako nang takot sa iyo. Ikaw nga naniligaw.
And for the record, Mr. President, we voted against resolution number 44. So to say that we have this resolution, yes, but there are senators who voted against it, and therefore it is not necessarily our agreement with the points being raised by the good senator from Camarines Norte.
For the record, Senator Padilla did mention a while ago that he doesn't take it against, and he acknowledges that some senators voted against it, and it's on the record. Having said that, the appeal is noted, but I just like to mention that we usually give each other leeway depending on the importance of the matter, and the threat to Senator Bato is live. There's been no official communication that he is free until a Philippine court issues a warrant of arrest. No? So I ask the patience of each member, but acknowledge the statement and the interpretation, the proper interpretation of the rules by Senator Pangilinan.
Okay na po kayo ni Senator Kiko?
Okay? May reklamo ko.
Ano pong specific na reklamo, sir?
Sa akin talaga, ngayon, kung saan makakarating yung reklamo ko, bahala na magdesisyon kung sino yung magiging chairman ng committee ng ethics.
Saan po specifically, sir?
Ethics, siyempre. Sabi ko na yung aking... Wala na, concern dahil sa iyo. Mag-apologize ka muna, bago. Mag-apologize ka muna doon sa... Kailangan sa plenary mo gawin. Kasi sa plenary niya ako sinigawan eh. Kung sinigawan niya ako dyan, okay lang yun, nagkamay kami. Pero doon na ako sinigawan eh.
So, nung nag-extend ko sa kamay, nag-apologize siya.
Gusto ko nga doon siya. Kailangan marinig ng asawa ko, ng anak ko, ng mga sister ko, nag-apologize sa daan sa pulpit.
Sir, what if hindi po siya mag-apologize sa
O
plenary?
edi ethics. Okay, hindi naman issue yan. Hindi ba yan issue? Hindi sa akin issue, pero sa inyo issue yan. Hindi naman. Iba na lang issue nyo. Iba to.
Nagpapaliwanag. Hindi kita sinigawan. Tumaas ang boses ko. Ito'y at
Hindi kita tinakot. Ako man ang takot. Ako nang takot sa iyo. Ikaw nga naniligaw. Ikaw ang naniligaw. Ako nanakot.
hindi ako sumisigaw. Tumaas ang boses ko. Humihingi ako ng paumanhin
Kita mo, iba hindi sa'yo ng sigaw at tumatang boses. Okay ba yun?
personal,
Talagang kahit kami nagkakatong boses, but hindi nyo rin existential issue.
Wala akong sumigawan dito kahit sino mo. Lahat, magalang ako sa inyo lahat. Eh, sinigawan mo nga. Sinigawan mo nga. Pero apologize sa akin. Pero sorry, pero kailangan mag-apologize sa akin. Kasi personal ko ang tatanggapin yun.
Okay lang mga boss, mag-adjourn na lang tayo till tomorrow.